I thought that the volcano would not affect where my location is, my geographic location, but it had an impact.
You had heard before that there would be plumes, expect debris falling and everything like that.
Mr. Monday we had about 36 tremor, heavy. So we know we had it, there was there coming a violent eruption.
A couple of my co-workers, they used to be like, I would like to experience this, I would like to experience that. But that day just changed everything. I am sure today if you ask them if they would like to experience it again, they would give you a different answer.